There is no magic pill that will reverse the years of damage made to our bodies by lifestyle choices. We all do it. We go for that instant gratification. It feels great in the moment, but for a lot of us, before we realize it, we get to a point when we are not happy with what we see when we look in the mirror. But after thinking, I look like crap, what is your next thought? Do you think, I need to change this? Or do you think, I give up? Hi, I'm Larisa Belote, Integrative Nutrition Health Coach. And I know how difficult it is to take that first step towards better health and longer life. I've been helping people just like you for the past 7 years. Our bodies have the power to heal themselves. So I invite you to join me in my next 7-week makeover series, because lasting change is built on a series of small steps. So let's explore the 7 weeks. Week 1, prep. We will review your shopping list. Week 2, diet hacks. We'll review the best tips and tricks for satisfying the appetite. Week 3, your fasting schedule. We will define a schedule that works best for you. Week 4, carb to protein ratio. Determine the right balance for your body. Week 5, your fast blueprint. A schedule built just for you. Week 6, what to expect. The journey along your blueprint. And week 7, break it right. The proper way to end the fast. Let this year be the last year you find a way to finally lose weight the right way and keep it off, so that you can feel and look great for the rest of your life. Call 732-490-5770 to register today for an in-person program or a personalized program that can be scheduled over the phone, Skype, or FaceTime. I look forward to working with you.